What if I told you there's a way to learn 10 times faster? No textbooks, no flashcards, and no boring study marathons. The CIA used these brain hacks to train spies to learn languages in weeks and memorize files in minutes. And now you can use them too. Let's break it down. Train your brain in chaos. Spies don't study in quiet libraries. They learn in noisy, chaotic places. Your brain gets stronger when it practices ignoring distractions. Try this. Study with background noise, like coffee shop sounds. Add random alarms every 7 minutes. Start quiet, then turn up the noise over time. Soon, you'll focus, even if your roommate's blasting music. Trick your senses. Smells, sounds, or colors can trigger memories. Use this to hack your brain. Chew cinnamon gum while studying. Later, sniff cinnamon to boost recall. Wear a specific color, like a red shirt, for certain subjects. Your brain will link the color to the info. Turn your home into a memory palace. Your brain remembers spaces better than random facts. Use your house as a cheat sheet. Link spots in your home to info. Example: mirror equals today's to-do list. Fridge equals math formula. Doorway equals key vocabulary word. Every time you pass these spots, your brain refreshes the memory. Study in short bursts. Spies use active interleaving. Switch topics every 10 minutes. Example: 10 minutes of Spanish, 10 minutes of math, repeat. Your brain connects ideas better this way, like a 2-for-1 learning deal. The Spy Learning Schedule. Week 1. Theta waves plus bedtime review. Week 2. Study with noise plus alarms. Week 3. Add smells / colors to study sessions. Week 4. Use the 10-minute burst method. Do this for a month, and your focus and memory will skyrocket. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who hates studying.